Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the channel. This is your intuitive weekly tarot reading for Libra for the July 21 to 26, 2025. Whether you are Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus, or you were simply guided to this message, trust that the Spirit brought you here for a reason. Divine timing is always at play, and what you're here today maybe exactly what your soul needs to evolve. If you'd like to receive a personalized tarot reading for tarot reading that speaks directly to your energy and life path, you can email me tarotreaderj@email.com, and I would be honored to walk beside you in your journey for clarity and awakening. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified of future readings. And please also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And all the links are in this description below. And thank you so much for your support. It helps this sacred space, sacred space alive. So now let's see what the Spirit has for you this July 21 to 26 to 2025. Libra, what is the weekly tarot reading for Libra from July 21 to 26, 2025? Cups, Page of Wands, Three of Swords, Six of Swords, Three of Pentacles in reverse, and Ten of Wands in reverse, and Seven of Cups in reverse, and Ten of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. All right. So the tarot reading for Libra from July 21 to 26, 2025. This is a releasing emotional baggage, cutting ties with illusions, and pursuing inner truth and long-term stability. This is a week of movement, both internal and external, as you leave behind toxic connections, old wounds, and uncertain desires. So what you are building next is more mature, spiritually guided, and materially grounded. So the Three of Cups is in reverse. This is the broken bonds, gossip, or third-party energy. So you may feel disconnected from your social circle or discover disloyalty or tension among friends. It's also in relationships. This can point to a lack of emotional support or a third-party influence. So a connection that once brought joy now feels empty or disruptive. So you'll come to realize what's truly in your corner. So you're involved here with Cancer and Pisces. These people are emotional, moody, or evasive people that you're dealing with. So the Eight of Cups is walking away from emotional disappointment. You are choosing to leave behind a situation or a relationship that no longer fulfills you, even if it's hard. So this is a conscious step toward growth, and you'll emotionally detach from something you have outgrown. So expect a turning point either in love, friendship, or emotional habits. So you're dealing with Pisces or Scorpio, because these signs is a mirror emotional detachment or soul searching. And the Page of Wands is in reverse. This is the delays and immaturity or false starts. So there's a lack of motivation or misdirection right now, and someone younger or emotionally immature may be unreliable or playing games. So there is a new adventure or connection that look exciting is revealed to be inconsistent. You will realize you have outgrown impulsive or chaotic energies, and you are possibly dealing with Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And Three of Swords This is in reverse. This is healing from heartbreak. There's pain. The pain is being acknowledged, and it's not avoided. You're on the verge of releasing emotional grief, especially from betrayal, separation, or abandonment. So the old wounds surface, but you'll start to make peace. So this is emotional closure. You no longer carry what isn't yours, and this energy is Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Those who cause confusion or misalignment may be a part of this healing cycle. So the Six of Swords, moving on from chaos, you are transitioning physically, mentally, or emotionally from a toxic situation toward peace. So there is a travel or relocation or emotional distance could play a role. And a calmer chapter is coming. Someone may leave, or you feel clarity and detachment growing inside you. So this is Aquarius and Virgo. These are rational thinkers or helpful supporters of someone you are distancing from. And the Three of Pentacles is in reverse. There is a lack of collaboration or feeling undervalued, or there is a team or relationship lacks of cohesion. People are not putting in equal effort or not listening to your ideas. So you will realize who is truly willing to work with you versus just benefiting from you. A group of dynamic may dissolve or need restructuring. So maybe you are dealing with the Capricorn Virgo Taurus here, because these people are someone focused on control or financial gain, not emotional depth. And the Ten of Wands is in reverse. Ten of Wands is in reverse. This is a releasing burdens and saying no. You're at a breaking point and learning to let go of responsibilities that are not yours. Burnout here is real. So this is your moment to set your boundaries, and a cycle of overgiving ends. You'll put yourself first at work, in family, and relationship. And this energy is Sagittarius and Leo. This is someone who expects too much from you or doesn't carry their weight. And the Seven of Cups is in reverse. Seeing through illusion, making a choice. Seeing through illusion, making a choice, like a confusion lifts. You will clearly see what is real and what is fantasy. So this is a decision time. You can no longer delay or stay in dreamland. So you will narrow your focus, ditch the distractions, and choose a path based on truth and not fantasy. And this is the Pisces and Scorpio. These people are genie people that once confused you may be exposed. At the Ten of Pentacles, this is a long-term success, legacy, and stability. This is your goal, end goal. Wealth and a strong family base, long-term security, and generational abundance. It could come through inheritance, real estate, family decisions, or marriage. If you continue releasing what doesn't deserve you, you will lay the foundation of lasting happiness, especially financially or romantically. So this energy is a Capricorn Taurus. Grounded people who want to build with you may step in now or soon. And the High Priestess. This is the inner wisdom, secrets, and intuition. You already knew the truth, but may not want to face it. So pay attention to dreams, gut feelings, and unspoken things, or believe your intuition. Believe in your guts. A secret may be revealed, or you will intuitively feel intuitively what someone is hiding, because the spiritual insights will guide your next move, and trust your inner voice. So this energy may be you are being involved with the Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, mysterious, withdrawn, or spiritual people. Someone is keeping quiet but significant. So I will summarize, and for Libra, for what will happen for July 21 to 26. So you are cutting emotional cords, facing truth, and refusing to carry other people's burdens. And emotional and social clarity leads to new values. Who do you trust and who do you leave behind? So you're learning that being emotional selective is not selfish; it is essential. So what to expect here? There is an ending and a social or emotional entanglement from friendship or love, and you may be pulling back from unreliable or chaotic energies, and a decision that reorients your life toward peace and legacy, and a revelation of or spiritual nudge that confirms your step. So the advice here from the spirit is your silence will speak louder than words, and what you walk away from now will define what you walk toward. So that's all, Libra. Thank you. See you next time.